Guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are showcasing another kitchen remodel. In this remodel, we removed a barren wall that separated the kitchen and dining room area from the living room. We installed a bearing beam, and we also retained a little bit of the wall instead of opening it up completely to add a coffee station to this kitchen. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Here is the kitchen prior to demolition. This is the first day of demo. Tony is removing everything from the kitchen to start. Everything has been removed from the kitchen, and Tony is now working on opening up the wall that will be removed. The wall has been removed and the bearing beam has been installed. This is what the new opening looks like. Here is what the kitchen looks like if you were standing in the living room. The frame part to the left was previously a doorway that was closed off where the coffee station will be added in the kitchen. The electrical rough-in has taken place and we are ready for drywall. The drywall has been patched and repaired. The LVT floor has been installed. We installed Mannington Adora Iron Hill Fireside 6x48 planks, which we put throughout the whole first floor. We are a few days into the cabinet installation. The cabinets used in this remodel are Waypoint 610D Maple Auburn glaze. These doors have a deep brown glaze that sits in crevices, which adds depth to the cognac stained doors. The quartz countertops have been installed. They are Cambria Canterbury. Here is the doorway we closed off. In doing so, we were able to add the coffee station. Here is the backsplash getting installed. It is Marazzi Timeless Collection Marfil Cream 3x6 tiles in a staggered pattern. Here is the completed kitchen. We installed GE Profile appliances to complete this remodel. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe for more.